Hello friend, this is from Conveyor Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 2000 liters model production line for Chile client, which is used in food grade material mixing industry. For this mixer, the blue painted one is our 2000 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer, and also equipped the feeder and transfer system and the packaging system for it. Let's walk closer to see it. From here, this is the raw material feeding part. This is a screw conveyor with a hopper, also with a weighting system, so we can control the feeding quantity via this small protection net. Screw conveyor feeder. So material would be transferred into the mixer. This is a 2000 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer with two choppers, flying knife type, to help the dispersing the agglomeration during the mixing work. Motors part, we use Siemens brand motor, hard-tooth phase reducer connected directly to support the strong power. After mixing, the material would be discharged via here. This is a pneumatic control ball valve, and then transferred via the second screw conveyor to the hopper of the packaging machine. On the top of the packaging machine hopper, this part, we equipped a metal detector. So all metal would be removed through the pipe, and then material would be feeding via this part. This is a pneumatic lock type packaging machine, and we can control the quantity of the packaging type. For example, 20 kilograms or 25 kilograms. All work would be through the PLC system. And then material would be transferred via the belt conveyor to the sorting part. This is a small production line. Also on this part, this position equipped a totally stainless steel working platform with stairs and hand drill, also mirror polished. Let's go to the top part to see it. This is the top part. This is a platform. Top lid part. We can open the top lid on both sides separately, easily, because we equipped pneumatic control stick to make it easily. Opened it, we found that we equipped a small production net, small mesh. This is a dust remover, and that is the connection port, raw material feeding port. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. Let's focus on the panel. For these motors, main motor and the two chopper motors, we equipped the Danfoss brand inverters. This is from Denmark, Danfoss. And other companies we use Schneider brand. Let's focus on the cabinet panel. We equipped a combination control system, PLC and mechanic buttons. It is very easy to understand. For the main motor, mixer motor, work, stop, shaft mixing, stop, speed up, speed down. For the two choppers, chopper 1, start, stop, speed up, speed down. second chop, start, stop, speed up, speed down. And this part is for 2 conveyors, raw material feeding conveyor, start, stop. For the transfer material from the mixer to the packaging machine, start, stop. This is for the pneumatic control ball valve. The principle for the PLC system. This part for the mixer, this part for the chopper 1, chopper 2, and this is for the conveyor, conveyor 1, conveyor 2, ball valve. This is for the weight display. Okay, now we make a simple test for it. Start. We can control the speed here. Speed up, speed down. Okay, now it works. And then we start the 2 choppers. 1, 2. Also we can control the speed here. Now both motors, it is about half speed. And then I test the max speed, okay? Speed up to the max. Okay, speed up. Speed up. No problem. Okay, stable. Now I start the turn. Actually, during the daily work, this is a head, blue head 1, and there, blue head 1. This is 2 sensors we equipped on the top lid. Actually, it is between top lid and the mixer itself. Once the protection net removed during the daily work, and the mixer will not work, will stop. This is a safety protection system. And then, okay, we tested the conveyor. For example, here, conveyor 1. Now it works in this way. Raw material will be transferred into the mixer. Conveyor 2. In this way, material will be transferred from the mixer to the packaging machine. Okay, for the ball valve, I have not connected with air source, so it is no problem actually. And then material would be packed here and transferred to the sewing system. So just now I have make a simple introduction and a simple test for the basic function and test for the new finished 2000 liters model powder material production line for Chile client. If you have any interest for it, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Conveyor Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.